Today we are going to make a video of class 12 physics. Okay, here in this video we want to discuss about nuclear reactor. Okay, try to understand. Here we want to discuss about nuclear reactor. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here. Okay, I hope you will like my video. Okay, here in this case, here you are taking uranium. You know it is a radioactive element. Here its atomic number is 92 and atomic mass is 235. And if you will bombarding with the help of neutron, and its atomic number 0 and mass is 1. And here you are doing fission. And then you will get barium, krypton and neutron. Okay, what thing? Barium 56 30 139 94 36 3109 N. Okay, plus tremendous amount of energy. What is the meaning of tremendous? It means you are here in this case a large amount of energy will produce. If such type of reaction will occur, in this reaction there will be large amount of energy will produce. Okay, I have drawn here figure. Here uranium fuel concrete chamber. This is a concrete chamber. This such type of reaction will be occur in a concrete chamber. Nuclear reactor I have written here. Boron carbon rods. Here what things? Boron carbon rods and steel vessel. It is also first thing is concrete chamber, after that steel vessel. Okay, and here we are keeping boron carbon rods. Once again uranium fuel. Okay, here this thing you should know this thing. Sodium is act as a coolant. Okay, it will act as coolant, heat exchanger, pump or steam water. And after reaction what will you get? You will get large amount of energy. And here there is water, and this water will be turned into a steam. Okay, what thing? This water will turn into steam. But this steam, you know, this is hot thing, and this you have to, because you have to return the water again, so you should this water what thing? Here this water should be cooled and again returned into this reactor, and here also energy is going on, and this will again heat, and in this way here occurring process. And here this steam water where goes? This goes into the, here there is attached a dynamo generator. There is attached a generator, and through this you can get electricity. And this is simple process. In this process you can, what will you do? In this process you will cool the water. Okay, this is too hot water that will turn into a steam, but that is too cool. So here you are using boron carbon rods, also sodium as a coolant. Here construction. The fission of nuclear fuel U235 is carried out in a steel pressure vessel of reactor R. Reactor is a kind of nuclear furnace. Okay, what thing? This is furnace. You know about furnace. Graphite is a moderator which slows down the speed of neutrons to make them fit for fission. Okay. Third, boron rods are called control rods because they absorb excess neutrons. Okay, the reactor is enclosed in a concrete chamber. Okay, I have already discussed this. Reactor is enclosed in a concrete chamber. Liquid sodium or carbon dioxide gas is used as a coolant. I have already discussed while I was discussing. I have told you here you have to use liquid sodium also. Now working. The controlled fission of U235 in the nuclear reactor produces a lot of heat energy. Liquid sodium is pumped continuously. Liquid sodium pump is continuously. By pump, sodium absorbs the heat. This sodium is passed into the coil of the heat exchanger, and this is containing water, and water turns into steam. And water turns, it will, this steam will move this generator. Okay, you know, if anything which is possible to move generator axle, in this case, what will you get? You will get electricity. Now next thing, it is introduced into the turbine chamber. Okay, where will you get, where will you, this go? This will go into the turbine chamber. Okay, this thus pressure rotates the turbine. Okay, now finally what things, we get electricity. One name of our greatest scientist, Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, was trying to do a lot of work regarding nuclear reactor. You know this thing, he has set up different type of nuclear reactor in India. You know this thing, and so this is nuclear reactor. Try to understand about nuclear reactor. Very simple thing. Here you have to use uranium 235. You know uranium is radioactive element. Okay, I hope you will like my video, and then you have to subscribe, share and like also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.